Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, with two Faze and Blackface squash beef in honor of late Soundsultan. Let's check out the story.
But I know say that year, nothing day.
In the spirit of what Soundsultan represents, these are my three sons here. When they broke up, I cried. And when Sultan died, I cried. Life is so fucking short. I shouldn't even be here mourning his son. I don't have much to say. Here you are, three of you. I met both of you as two young boys, and you brought him in. We started, I handed you guys over to Nelson Brown. Where's Nelson Brown? Come here. Stand there. Wonderful now. Your hand. In the spirit of everything that Soundsultan represents, may this day be the beginning of a new spirit of love, forgiveness, oneness, affection in our hearts. And may you guys be an example to the world at large that no matter how bad it is, it can be made well, it can be made good. Thank you, Soundsultan. Rest in peace.